What's up, hair friends? It is Thais here. So today I am attempting my very first mini twist. So what I do is start off by spritzing my hair lightly with water, and then I part off the back section, really small section, and use some sectioning clips just to get the hair out of the way while I twist the other section. So for today I am using the Kinky Tresses hair butter. I apply a generous amount of product to the back section of my hair, that entire section, and then I go ahead and part off smaller sections, and then I reapply another generous amount until the hair is dampened with that product. So I just section off small sections at a time, and I twist it really tight so that my roots do not come out puffy. And after twisting it, I twirl the ends around my finger so that the ends stay in place and it do not unravel. So right here I'm showing you a slowed down version. So as you can see, I twist it, then pull it up, twist, pull, twist, pull, twist, pull. And this is going to keep the twist nice and tight. I know people were asking, how do you keep the roots tight? How do you keep the twist from unraveling? It is because I twist it really tight and pull it up while I twist. So this entire process took me about 5 minutes. I'm saying 5 minutes. I wish it was 5 minutes. 5 hours to complete with breaks in between. So I did stop and do a lot of things. I stopped to cook, to eat, to clean up. So it wasn't a straight 5 hours. And I did do it on 2 separate days because I did start the night before really late. And this is how the back section is looking, really juicy. As you can see, those twists, it just gets to me. It's so therapeutic to twist my hair. So for the front section, what I do is part off how I want my twist to lay. So this is very important. You want to make that part, whether it's a middle part, a side part, you want to get that out of the way so that you can twist around that part. And right here, I'm repeating the same exact process. So another tip I have so that your twist doesn't stick up and that they lay flat and stay juicy even after they are dry is to saturate each tiny section before you twist it with a lot of product. And make sure that you are using a very thick, heavy product, something that is loaded with oils and butters that's going to purposefully weigh your hair down. This is key so that your hair do not dry sticking up or sticking out. If your hair is too dry and you do not use enough product, then your hair is going to stick out, as I mentioned. I know some people use gel for the extra weight as well. You can use that, but I'm not really a gel girl. I love my moisturizers. I don't really like gel on my hair, so I didn't use gel this time. Also, make sure that you are twisting your hair going in a downward motion so that your hair do not stick out. If you twist your hair away from the head, going horizontal, then it's going to dry, sticking out, and it won't lay flat. So this is the next day after waking up. I got really tired, guys. I really got tired. So I'm just finishing off that little piece in the front. And for that section in the front, this technique would allow it to lay in a nice style. So what I do here is twist the hair going towards my face. So I do not twist it back. So I purposefully want my twist to lay coming towards my face. So this just creates a nice style. This is definitely a personal preference, so you can twist it going towards any direction you want it to lay.